Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you exactly how to reset your EETV box mini. Now, if your box is freezing, if it is running slow or not loading properly, a quick reset is often the fastest solution. So first of all, you need to try with the soft reset. In it, you need to use the remote, then go to the settings. In the settings, you just have to open the device settings or system and then simply click on the option of restart. So this simply refreshes the system without deleting anything. If the box is completely stuck or if it is unresponsive, you can perform a power reset. For that, you just have to first of all turn off your EETV box mini, then simply unplug the power cable. Afterwards, simply wait for 30 to 60 seconds and then plug it back in and turn the TV box on. So this is going to clear the temporary system glitches. Even after doing the soft reset and the hard reset, if the problem continues, you can also do a full factory reset. For that, you just have to go to the settings. Then in the settings, you are going to see the reset option now, or you will also see the storage reset option or the factory data reset option. So when you select that option, simply confirm the reset. But keep in mind, this particular factory reset is going to erase the applications, the settings, and the saved data. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.